Good morning, students. Hope you are all fit and fine. Let us recall what we have learned earlier. What is volume? Good. Volume is a measure of the space occupied by a substance. The unit of volume is cubic meter. What is matter? Very good. Anything that has mass and occupies space is known as matter. What are three states of matter? Solid, liquid, and gas are the three states of matter. What are the instruments used for measuring weight? Good. Spring balance, weighing scale. What are instruments used for measuring mass? Superb. Beam balance and electronic balance. What are the practical units for measuring mass? Good. Metric ton and quintal. 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kilogram. 1 quintal is equal to 100 kilogram. What are the instruments used to measure time? Okay, fine. Quartz clock, digital clock, sundial, sand clock. What is time? Time is a period between two events. The SI unit for time is second. Other units for time include minutes, hours, days, months, years, decades, centuries, and millennium. Today we are going to learn about measurement of volume, mass, and time. What is volume? Good. Volume is the space occupied by an object. What are three states of matter? Superb. Solids, liquids, and gases. How to measure volume of solids? We know that length is a fundamental quantity. That means it cannot be expressed in any other quantity. Using length, we can measure area. What is the formula for area? Good. Length into breadth. The volume of the box can also be measured using lengths. Volume is given by the formula length into breadth into height. Calculate the volume for the given box if length is 10 cm, breadth is 10 cm, height is 10 cm. To calculate the volume, we have to multiply the length into breadth into height. So we get 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000 cubic centimeter, which take the shape of the container in which they are kept. Excellent. Liquids. Measuring the volume of a liquid is simple. A liquid whose volume is to be found can simply be poured into a graduated container. For measuring exact volume of liquid, we use graduated cylinders, beakers, pipettes, burettes, conical flask. The volume of liquid is usually measured in liters. Do you know the quantity of blood in a human body? Super. 4.5 liter to 5.5 liters. The tools used for measuring volume of liquid are graduated cylinder, beaker, conical flask, burette, and pipette. These are widely used in laboratories to measure volume of liquid accurately. What is volume? Super. Volume is the space occupied by an object. To find volume of an irregular object, take a stone. Fill a graduated measuring cylinder with water up to 150 milliliter. Tie the stone with a piece of fine thread. Immerse the stone completely into water. As the stone is immersed, we can observe that water level increases and the water level is noted as 180 milliliter. The stone displaces the water to occupy the space inside the measuring cylinder. How much water would be displaced? How can you calculate? To calculate the amount of water displaced, you have to subtract the initial reading from final reading so that you obtain 180 milliliter minus 150 milliliter is equal to 30 milliliter. So that volume of the water displaced is 30 milliliter. Here the volume of the stone is equal to amount of water displaced. This method is called as water displacement method. We know that 1 milliliter is 1 cubic centimeter. So that 30 milliliter is 30 centimeter cube. Hence, the volume of stone is 30 centimeter cube. What are the steps involved in water displacement method to measure volume of liquid? Step 1. Add water to a graduated cylinder and record the amount. Step 2. Place the object, example stone, into the graduated cylinder. Step 3. Record the volume of the water with the object. Step 4. Find the difference in water volume by subtracting. Step 5. Convert the liquid volume measurement to the measurement for solid volume centimeter cube. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. What happens when you blow a balloon? Very good. The balloon expands its size. Gases expand on the balloon into where they had placed. When you compress the gas, you can make the same gas to occupy lesser space as like an LPG gas cylinder. What is mass? Mass is the measure of amount of matter in an object. What is weight? Weight is a gravitational pull experienced by the mass. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. The symbol for kilogram is kg. Weight is directly proportional to the mass on its surface. On Moon, the gravitational force is lesser than Earth. Hence, the weight will reduce. But the mass will remain same. The Moon's gravitational pull is 1/6 of the Earth's pull. So that objects weigh 6 times lighter on the Moon than on the Earth. Used for measuring mass? Good. Beam balance and electronic balance. Bigger weights are measured in ton or metric ton. 1000 milligram is 1 gram, 1000 gram is 1 kilogram, and 1000 kilogram is 1 ton. What is beam balance? We use beam balances to measure mass. How beam balance works? A beam balance works by comparing the mass of an object to that of known mass called a standard mass. For example, if you want to measure the mass of apple, you have to compare the mass of apple weight with the standard mass 500 kilogram. Electronic balance is also used to measure weight. An electronic balance is a device used to find accurate measurements of weight. Digital measurements are possible using electronic Balance. It is used very commonly in laboratories for weighing chemicals, for doing experiments. Accurate measurements of chemicals is needed. Electronic balancers may also be used to weigh food, other grocery items, as well as jewelry. What is time? Time is period between two events. Day changes into night and night into day. Seasons also change. Clocks are used to measure time. Pulse can also be used to measure rough time. Counting the number of pulses tell the time passed. In earlier days, people used sand clock and sundial to measure the passage of time during the day. There are rough methods for counting passage of time. We can use electronic clock, stopwatch and other instruments to count smaller durations of time. I will ask you few questions. What is volume? Good. Volume is the amount of space occupied by an object. It is measured using graduated cylinder. What is water displacement method? Excellent. The amount of water displaced is equal to the volume of the object. What is the volume of the iron cube placed inside the graduated cylinder? Excellent. The volume of the iron cube is new water level minus original water level, so that 7 centimeter cube is the volume of the iron cube. Let us summarize what we have learned today. Volume. Volume is the amount of space occupied by an object. Volume can be calculated using the formula length into breadth into height. The unit of volume is cubic centimeter. Volume of liquids. Liquids take the shape of the container in which they are kept. It is usually measured in liters. The volume of human body blood is 4.5 liter to 5.5 liter. The volume of irregular shaped objects can be measured using water displacement method. Volume of gas. Gases expand to fill the container into which they are placed. When you compress a gas, you can make the same gas to occupy lesser space as in LPG gas cylinder. Mass. Mass is the measure of the amount of matter in an object. Weight. Weight is a gravitational pull experienced by the mass. Mass is measured using beam balance and electronic balance. Beam balance works by comparing the mass of an object to that of standard mass. Electronic balance is a device used to find accurate measurements of weight. Time. In earlier days, people used sand clock and sundial to measure the passage of time during the day. The shadow cast by a stick can be used to estimate time. Vessel with a small hole for computing time, that is water clock, can be used to estimate time. These are rough methods for counting passage of time. Nowadays, we are using electronic clock, stopwatch and other instruments to count smaller durations of time. Thank you students. Thank you for watching.